What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Zach's Vlogs. My name is Zach, and today I'm vlogging out in the rain. Yes, it is raining, and I love it. I love the rain. I love the rain so much. Every time it would rain, I'd go outside and just enjoy it. The sounds, I don't know, there's just something peaceful about the rain. Let me be quiet for a few seconds so that you can listen. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I love the rain. I've always loved it. I think it's because me being born in the Pacific Northwest of the United States, it rains a lot there, and that's I guess it had an impact on me, and that's why I love the rain so much. So yeah, I'm just walking around, enjoying the rain, and it is awesome. It's really, really awesome. It really is. Sometimes I wish I could, I don't know, sometimes I wish I could make it rain whenever I want, but I can't do that yet. My psychic abilities are low, but with enough meditation and practice, I'll be able to form clouds and then, almost tripped there, rain clouds and stuff. That is actually possible. It's possible because, like something with metaphysical abilities and stuff. I know it sounds crazy, but with enough practice, you could do it. It does sound really crazy. You know what else sounds crazy? A lot of things. So yeah, that's just sorry, I keep spacing out. I'm just enjoying the rain so much. Wish it could last forever, but all good things must come to an end eventually. There's a hold on. There's a break in the clouds right there. It's really pretty. That's a really, really cool to look at. Oh. I gotta be careful. I gotta keep looking down because... Hello.
Hello.
Because if I am... Because if I don't look down, because I'm looking at the ground and I have to keep looking down because when it rains, the snails come out onto the paved paths here, and I have to be careful not to step on them. Shoot. Like that. When I... oh boy. I've stepped on a few snails. On, on accident, of course. Keys to my flat. Ah. Really hard to handle my keys and hold the iPhone at the same time. So yeah, that's some that's just what I like to do. I like to go outside and enjoy the rain and stuff. Yep. So, anyways, until next time, this is Zach, out.